Hello, welcome to WFit Offer. This is Kamil from WFit Offer. In this video, I will show you how to update WordPress theme and plugin from your WordPress website. So, if you want to update this plugin, theme and plugin manually, so this video for you. First of all, log in your WordPress dashboard. So, I already log in here. After login in the WordPress dashboard, click plugin, add new. And the search box, now search here easy theme and plugin upgrades. So you will see this plugin, easy theme and plugin upgrades. Now install now this plugin and click activate. After install, then click activate. So after activate the plugin, now you need to upload your theme or plugin here. I update this thing. This is the latest update version available 7.9.0. so I already have this plugin theme. Now I upload here. So go to appearance and click themes. Then I need to upload this theme, latest version. Click add new and click upload theme. So I already download here this theme. Now it's file, I need to, it's zip file, convert, click send to and compress folder. Okay, this is the soldered zip complete. Now we need to click choose file and click soldered and click open. Okay, now click install now. So this theme uploaded complete. Now you will see unpacking the package, upgrading the theme, backing up the old version of the theme. A backup zip file of the old theme version can be downloaded here. Removing the old version of the theme. Theme update successfully. I update the theme. Now go to live preview. Okay, click here. So if you see this soldered theme, now there is no update option available. This is the latest version of theme. So you can, this way you can update your plugin. Go to plugin and add new. Click upload your latest version of plugin. Then successfully the plugin will be updated. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you think this is helpful for you, please subscribe our channel, so you will get more video about WordPress. Thanks a lot.